Dogs have an incredible secret: they can sense the Earth's magnetic field and use it like a natural GPS. Imagine your furry friend not just sniffing out treats but navigating the world with an internal compass. Research has shown that dogs often align themselves north-south when they relieve themselves, subtly tuning into the planet's magnetic waves. This mysterious ability, called magnetoreception, isn't just for birds and sea turtles. Our canine companions have it too. Scientists believe this magnetic sense helps dogs find their way home over long distances, even when their usual landmarks are gone. While we're busy checking maps on our phones, dogs might just be tapping into a hidden geomagnetic map, making every walk a potential adventure through an unseen world. So next time your pup seems lost in thought, they might just be navigating unseen forces we can only imagine.